Hey guys, welcome to your upper body ladder. Let's go ahead and...
Today's video is brought to you by protein. Most Americans are not eating enough protein in their diet. You need about 0.5 gram per pound of body weight per day. And if that seems like a lot, and you haven't been on a diet or exercise regimen and you're trying to consume less calories, then eating more food to get more protein may not be the solution for you. This is where protein shakes and protein powders come into play. A great one would be something that's low carb, but gives you the sugar you need post-workout so that you can recover and prevent the onset of cortisol, your stress hormone, so that you can get ample recovery, feel better, and maintain good positive energy levels. A great attribute for your protein selection would also be BCAAs. Maybe 7 grams of our favorites, which are leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which should be in a 2-to-1-to-1 ratio, which you find in most of your BCAA products and is also great in protein. Most importantly, you want to find an isolate. Isolate means that it's a derivative of whey, which is a byproduct of milk, and so it takes the lactose out. Your body has a heightened immune response to lactose past the age of 3, which means that you slow your digestion down, you have potential for increased fat storage, and a decreased ability to recover the muscles, which is protein's main goal. If you can't tell, here at E3 Strength, we use Extend Protein. And the reason for that is it meets all the qualifications that we just mentioned. And so do plenty of other proteins, so you don't have to go with Extend. But it happens to be pretty affordable, easily and readily available on Amazon and here at E3 Strength. So if you're thinking of getting on a protein supplement, this is a great place to start. Extend is more than just protein. They make pre-workout, intra-workout, and post-workout supplements. For more info, you can visit extend.com or e3strength.com/shop. And be sure to mention this ad next time you visit E3 Strength for your free 1.8 pound tub of Extend Protein while supplies last. Now, back to the video.
I'm going to be using a dowel. A towel will work just fine if you don't have a wooden dowel with you. We're going to start with our palms facing down, and we're just going to do our overhead rotations, trying to get through as much range of motion as we can here. The wider your hands are on that dowel, towel, whatever you have, the more width you have in between your arms, the more range of motion you should have. We're going to go ahead and hit about 10 of these. I want by the end of our 10, depending on your range of motion, our goal should be to get all the way around. Now, like I said, the wider your hands are, farther apart they are, the easier it's going to be to rotate. So the real challenge is how close can your hands be and still get through that full range of motion. Do a couple warm-ups though. Go through what is comfortable for you. No need to push anything. It's too uncomfortable. All right, once we hit those 10, we're gonna do some halos. So I'm gonna take my left arm, I'm gonna lock that right by my shoulder, and I'm gonna take my right arm and rotate all the way around my head, and then back that same direction. So my left arm's not moving, my right arm is moving in a big circle around my head. Again, getting through as much range of motion as is comfortable for you. The farther apart your hands are, the more range of motion you'll probably have. Let's do about 6 to 8 of these, and then we're just gonna switch and do the opposite side. So now my right arm's gonna lock by that shoulder, my left arm's gonna be doing the big circle. Woo. I hit my ponytail there. All right, again, 6 to 8 here. Beautiful. All right, last thing I'm gonna have us do to warm up is take that dowel up overhead, and we're just gonna do a squat, as deep a squat as you can, and then stand back up. We're gonna hit 10 of these. Trying to keep my weight in my heels, I stepped back on that one. These are probably a little bit more challenging than a regular squat would be, so it's okay if you can't get as deep as you normally would in a bodyweight squat. Try and keep this up overhead. Try not to lean forward. We're here. Squatting down, standing all the way back up. 10, beautiful. Give those shoulders a rest. Put your stick away. And then let's go ahead and get started. We have a nice fun little ladder planned for us today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. We have push-ups, squats, and dips. I'm going to be using a bench for all of mine. I am starting the top of the ladder and we're working our way down. So push-ups to start. You can do these on the ground if that's working for you. Otherwise, do them elevated on your bench that we are using today. So starting at 12 reps of push-ups. Here we go. 12 push-ups. Trying to drive those elbows straight back. When you finish that, we have 10 squats. Bodyweight squats, nice and easy here. Our squats are not our main focus today. They are pretty much just here to give our upper body a break. So, 10 squats, and then we're gonna go into our dips. Our dips are gonna be tricep dips on the bench. All body weight today. You don't need much to get a good workout in. 10, all right. For our dips, taking the palms of my hands, and I'm just gonna put them right on the edge of that bench. Make sure you're not tipping over whatever bench you have. And I'm gonna take my feet, bring my body out in a straight line. Great, from here, bend those elbows backwards and up. It's not a hip movement. It's all in my elbows bending and straightening. We have 8 here. Get that full extension at the top. That's the most important part. These always surprise me how challenging they are. Try and drive those elbows straight back, not flaring our arms out to the side. So we have 9 push-ups, 8 squats, and 7 dips. All right, we ready to get back into it? Get your water, take your breath. Here we go, 9 reps of push-ups. If you started on the ground, great. Don't feel ashamed to elevate. This is a lot of reps of push-ups, I get it. That's why I started on the bench. Ooh, to 9. Nine, 8, 7, 8 squats. Sometimes when I do bodyweight squats, I think it's kind of more challenging to get through a nice deep range of motion. So you're not alone if you feel that. 8 reps here. Nice and easy, beautiful. And those dips for 7. Whew. Okay, straight back. That's our focus in our elbows, not our hips. For these ones, a big thing I like to say is don't try and get like as low as you can. It's better to have a shorter range of motion and get it down correctly than to be going like this with your hips and not even using your arms at all. 7 reps here. Beautiful, rest. Are we ready? Beautiful, let's get into it. 6 push-ups. Here we go. Six squats. Now squats, these aren't gonna be anything crazy. They're not building muscle, they're giving our arms a rest. So don't just not do them. Add them in. Catch your breath, give your arms a break while still being active, while not just like standing there taking a break. All right, 6 dips. Hips come all the way up, nice and straight. To 6. Great job, guys. Amazing news. We only have one more round. Are we ready to crush our last round? Push-ups for 3 reps. We ready? Join me. Here we go, last round. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 3 reps. And 3 reps is enough to make my arms shake. 4 squats. 5 dips. This is gonna be the worst one, I can already tell you. Okay, this is it, and then we're done. 5 dips. Use those triceps, fully extend. Don't cheat it just because we're almost done. And 5. Yoo-hoo! Guys, quick, efficient, my arms are shaking, I'm feeling it. I hope you enjoyed that quick little upper body ladder. Like, comment, send to a friend, and I'll see you guys next time.